Baby, we're back.
Hello, friends. Yes, we're back after taking off several weeks. Since it's been a while, let me remind you of where we left off last month. Mark changed out the engine start batteries.
I still get so nervous.
Then we took a little trip to the Houston area to check out 1,000 Trails at Lake Conroe.
They have changed their pricing structure.
We then left you with our unsuccessful repair of our galley air conditioner.
That is not the issue.
Oh man, it worked. I kind of didn't want it to work.
This board right here is called a PLM board.
This week, we're loading up the bus my way. Don't freak out on this one. And successfully fixing that galley AC once and for all. Or so we hope.
Here, one of these two.
It's you. Look at you.
Sound like I'm a dog. Look at you, good boy.
Good boy. Good boy. Baby, we're back. We took a little break for about a month. We had things to do around home base and doctor appointments and house stuff. Nothing real exciting. But we're back and we're getting ready to go on a trip. This time the bus will not be washed because it's supposed to rain all week. So, I don't know, maybe Mark was hoping for that. No, I shouldn't say that. It only takes him about an hour to wash it. And we are getting ready to go on a trip where it's summertime and we're going to go where it's a little cooler. Main place is Colorado. What is happening here? Oh, they had some flats. Oops, can you see? Ooh, several flats. Some of these things have been here, as you can imagine, for years and never moved. But they're resurfacing the whole area, so they've asked everyone to move their vehicle or trailer, you know, whatever it is. What it seems like I'm always doing, loading the bus. My stuff in here for the first load, and I know I take food and stuff. I know there's stores where we're going. I know that, but I just can't see buying all the stuff at the store once you're there when you have it right here in your home refrigerator. Especially the condiments. Golly, those get expensive. And then they stay at home and they expire. So I just as soon bite the bullet and move everything into the bus. I'm out of breath. Here's this, and I don't have any of the pantry stuff yet. This is just freezer and refrigerator. Few clothes, workout bands. Well, I guess I have a few things for the pantry, but not much. I like these baskets. I don't know why I can't find the camera today. Sorry about that. But I do like these baskets. I put those in the refrige. And then I have the tension rods just in case, because I don't want anything sliding out. We really don't have a trouble with any food here sliding out. It's these drawers that open really easily. So I put a tension rod here and bada bing, bada boom. Here's my packing so far. The refrige looks a little empty, but here are these baskets that I was telling you about that I love. And then, don't freak out on this one. We have 2 freezers at home and I'm consolidating down to 1. But anyway, this is full of stuff. I love cooking my hamburger meat
beforehand and then freezing it in 1 pound packages. So I have that. Shredded chicken that's already cooked. So I love to do that. And just single servings of everything.
I won't be able to bring anything else for the freezer until if we turn on the freezer that's outside in the bay. So that is it for this load. We are back, and we got in the new PLM board for the galley AC. Hopefully that was the issue of why it wasn't working. And Mark is going to take out the old one and put in the new one, and we'll see what happens.
Okay.
Okay, there's the hole, like that, and then like here. One of these two there will be the hole. Boy, it's built different.
Yes, it is.
So here are my plugs, 4 and 3, and here's the deals there. I got to pull that off for a second. I need this diode. I don't know why I need it, but they say you need it. And you know, they know. I'm not sure who they is for sure, but I'm going to go with it. Okay. Okay, let me see if I can get this stuck up in there. Okay, I'm back down behind the front bumper in this originally a spare tire bay. I'm going to take this cover off to get to the PLM board that's up behind here, and I got a new board, and I'm going to see if that cures my problem. Okay, it's being held in by these two right here. That one.
I can't see where you're pointing. Oh, okay.
That nut, and then one right up in here. Okay, so that goes green, white, blue, orange. Orange, red, and black. There, if I can get it, I think right there. Okay, so the only thing holding that board up is here and here. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I got these little clips out on the ends. So one PLM board coming out. And I've got to take out this little diode and put on the new board.
Okay.
Can't tell if anything is burned or not. Okay, I need a nut.
Okay.
And that extension in the socket. Okay, hand me that, just that
Extension.
right there. Nice and tight. Look at that. Just like it's made for it.
So far, so good.
Okay, I need that picture I took of the wiring diagram. Oh, where the wires went.
Just a second.
These two are on the end, I know. Need to tighten this plug up a little bit. Alright, perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, let's go in and see if it powers up.
All right, the moment of truth. I'm about to turn on the galley AC.
I got a power light.
Baby, it is on. 74 degrees. It lit up. You want me to turn it on?
Yeah, turn it down to a colder temperature, just see if the blower and everything comes on.
All right, here we go. Cool is coming on. Woo woo! Down. Sweet baby Jesus. I am so happy. So happy. We got AC. Didn't have to pay anybody to have it done. That's the best ever. Because we didn't know what was going to be wrong with it if it wasn't that PLM board. Because everything else worked. Yay! And there's the typical view of Mark with his head in a bay.
Where's that ratchet?
The ratchet.
Not the ratchet, the extension.
The extension.
Or you took. I'm just gonna see if that's the same size that fits this too. This has a power light on it. As soon as you hit the switch, it powered up.
Oh, sweet.
I saw it power up, and
Look at you. Regular old air conditioning technician.
who said I could only fly an airplane? Gosh.
Your headlight's blinding me.
Yeah, okay, I'm shutting it off.
Okay. All right.
Oh. Okay.
Look at you. Look at you.
Sound like I'm a dog. Look at you, good boy.
Good
Good
boy.
boy.
Good boy. Mama's happy.